Here's another job lot of bits. I've got some oil seals here, well some. I've got quite a lot really. All sorts of manner of means of seals, old seals, and I've checked them all if they're supple. If they were too hard I threw them out, but there's still some good seals in there. But what they are, what they're off, I don't know. So you can see there's loads of me. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fill a bag, as many bags as I can. There's a job lot for, I don't know, $15 a bag. Job lot, take your chance, lucky dip. There's all sorts of stuff in it. Axle seals, gearbox seals. I don't think there's any engine seals because they were in a different box. But some of them are brand new. I mean, well, they all are brand new. Like these ones here, these are the ones for the hub seals, but they're the earlier type. But they still fit, and they are good make. You know, they're a good quality. You know, things like corticore seals. These ones here, I don't know what they are. But what I'll do is I'll split them all up to an even thing and put them into bags, and I'll see how many bags I can get. I think that's fair, because once a bag's full, an old Amazon bag, then we sort of know where we're splodging, don't we? It'll be cheap to ship. Can't fall off at that price, can you? Here's another bargain for you. You'll like this one. Brand new Series 3 gear cluster. There's the number. You see it. It's 576686. Brand new. I don't know how it ended up on my shelf. They're $186 a piece. 30 bucks. 30 bucks and it's gone. How's about these? A pair of TDI stickers. I used to have loads of these done years ago when I was doing painting, and I don't use them now. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sets a pair for $5 a pair. You can't fall off at that, can you? I never use them. I never use them at all. So let me bag up these seals and things like that, and then we'll come back with some more. Here we go, some more stuff here. Ring retaining metric with nuts. These are for defenders or whatever to hold the top tower in. I'll do them as a matching pair. There's 2 pairs, brick part ones, and there's bear mark and a brick part one too. I don't know, are they worth $8 for a pair? They've got to be at that. They've got to be worth that. Here's another bargain. I've just looked at the price of these. These were shocking. RTC 3426, genuine Land Rover Series 2A3 wheel bearings. I've only got a pair. The box is a bit tattered, but they've never been out the box. Give us $15 for them. There you go. That's a bargain. What else have we got here? Some more genuine Land Rover stuff. Swivel pins. Genuine swivel pins. I've got 2 of them for the top. These are for the older type, you know, pre-300 TDI. I've got 2 genuine top ones, and I've got 2 bear mark bottom pins. I don't know. Are they worth $15? They've got to be, haven't they? I've also got some retaining rings. There's one new one here, and some ones that are taken off the car. These the big oil seals in the back. I've never used them for years. I don't know, $4 for a pair. I mean, they're $2 each. What else are you going to get for $2? That's them. What else have we found? Here's something for you Disco 2 owners. These are the bump stops. I've got, they're brand new. I'll just open the bag. There they are. I've got, actually, for some reason, I've got 5 of them. I've got 5 of bump stops, brand fire new. I don't know, let's make it up. Let's have a tenner for them, $10. I know, because they're going to be bulky for shipping, so I'm going to try and help you out, but I just want all this stuff off my shelf. Next, here's something for you TDI type people. Wastegate controllers. Now, I don't know what these are off. There's one here that's got a great long shaft on, it's got a bit of a bend on, but all of them work. That's one. There's another one, look. I don't know what that one's off. That one works. Is this a 300 TDI one? I'm not sure. That works. I think this one's off a HS 2.8 if I'm not mistaken. It's a funny little adjuster on it. Could be. What the hell was that? Oh, anyway, whatever it was, it's gone. I don't know, $5 a piece. I know they cost an absolute fortune, but if you haven't got some, now you have. Let's have a look and see what else we've got. Here's another bargain. Brake pedal rubbers for Defenders, pair of them for $5. How's that? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. 4 sets to go. I also have another little special one here that's very hard to find. This is off a Range Rover. I think it's the brake pedal, I'm not sure. It's 575818. I don't know, a couple of bucks for that. It's new, it's been in the box for ages, but I've never used them. I don't know. Stuff I've collected up over the years, eh? Wish somebody would come down and empty my container and have the bloody lot. Right, let's see what else. Here's something stupid but extremely expensive. I've got quite a number of these things here. These are for left-hand drives to hold the steering box and your panhard rod on. Now they really are expensive. I think they were about $700. And also, I've got quite a few of these swivel hubs here. These are for left-hand drives. These are the later type. Just make me an offer on these, because I know these are kind of hard to get, because when you want to convert a right-hand drive to a left-hand drive, they're not the easiest thing to do. I think I've got about 4 sets of them, but this time you make me an offer. I don't know what they're worth, but I know these were horrendously priced. And of course, a lot of them came off Disco 1s. Well, they've all gone by the by now. But if you want to do a conversion right to left, right to left, these are the parts you need. Now I don't know if anybody wants these. They're too good to throw out. But I've got a box here of lights, light fittings, rings, new lenses, back lenses. Some are good, some are bad. All sorts of manner and means. Look at that, it's a mucky old thing. But you know, the connectors here are really worth having. Backlight holders, well that's scrap because there's no bits for it. New lens, rubber cover. What else have we got there? Yeah, I've got all sorts of bits and pieces. Headlights, reversing lights, more lights, backlight. Yeah, I mean if you haven't got any, then these might just do you kind of nicely. There's a rubber cover for a heater there, that should be enough. I don't know. Oh look, there's a NAS light, look at that. These are all handy for spares. Because if you break one, where are you going to get another one from? What's this down here? That's a stopper for a boat. That shouldn't be in there. The whole box for $40. The whole box. There's no LED ones in there. Because I never used to fit LED ones because they weren't very good. Like this. There's a bit of an interior light there. Ooh, look. These old ones for the side markers. Oh, do you know, somebody was asking me what for one of them the other day. It's for a Disco 1 rear light. Oh, anyway, yeah, lots of these connectors. Well worth it. Right, let's put this video together.